Netmirror claims to offer free access to premium streaming services like Netflix and Disney+, but its behavior raises serious concerns. The app bypasses login screens and overlays fake interfaces, suggesting it's not using official APIs or licensed content. It mimics legitimate platforms while avoiding authentication, which is a common tactic in phishing and adware schemes. Upon installation, Netmirror requests excessive permissions including accessibility control and background activity. Users report intrusive ads, battery drain, and erratic behavior even when the app is closed. Network traffic analysis shows connections to suspicious domains and ad servers, with no verifiable company backing the app. Its privacy policy is vague and there's no evidence of legitimate licensing or partnerships. Netmirror is not a free streaming solution, it's a high-risk app that trades on curiosity and delivers invasive behavior. Avoid it entirely unless you want to compromise your device and data.